Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Danielle. Welcome to the family. Currently it is Labor Day. It is Monday, September 7th? Yeah. And we are down in the Outer Banks, where we call basically our second home. We are here for a full week, but we are here with friends, we are here with family, and we've all been together for quarantine. Let me put that out there first. We have all been together. So we are doing this safely. We are just in a new location and we have home here. So we are all clean. We are all safe. We've all tested negative for Corona. I'm just going to put that out there first. But we are here because last summer hurrah, kind of basically, and we're going to have some fun. This isn't going to be like a daily vlog. I'm going to show you guys around. I'm going to show you some of the fun things we do. I don't want to make this so wordy. I just want to show you guys all the fun that there is to have here. We had a huge, technically we got here yesterday, but we had a huge dance party last night and just cooked, and we had such a great time listening to some music. But we're officially kicking it off today, and we're going to head to the beach and soak in some sun in the salt water and some sand. So let's kick off this beach trip, shall we?
The Outer Banks. Paradise on Earth.
Big about the leany, meeny, money, mo, and flower. You're the chosen one. Well, your left hand's free, and your right hand grip. With another left hand, watches right and slip. Schwartz is gone.
He was gonna chase after you guys.
Go! No, we're not getting in the car.
Walters, get in the car!
No, I'm not getting in the car! Is that enough drama?
It's free. Well, my left is free. Oh, no. Ain't shady, baby, I'm hot. Like the prodigal son. Big about the leany, meeny, money, mo, and flower. You're the chosen one.